Welcome back guys, and if you are using Airtel SIM and you are not able to send SMS from your mobile, Airtel mobile, then in that case what things need to be checked for solving your problem, I am going to tell you, not wasting much of your time. If you are new to the channel, please do consider to subscribe this channel after watching this video, and if you like it. So the very first thing you need to check, if you are not able to send SMS from your Airtel SIM, first thing is, are you able to send everybody except one? If it is the case, then there might be possibility that that person has blocked you. So just confirm it. But if you are not able to send anyone, means in that case, see if you are using prepaid SIM, you have charged your mobile or not, a rich SIM or not, means there is enough money to send the SMS or not. So this was the second thing. Third thing, if you both things are okay, you are using postpaid connections, then what you need to do, just go to the connections and here connection and reset APNs, means mobile networks, APN, and here reset to defaults. Reset it, and now I think your mobile should able to work properly. If it is not working, then search reset here. Okay, now go to the reset network settings and reset settings. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, but except Wi-Fi passwords nothing will go. So do it. You only need to enter Wi-Fi passwords. If it is working, then well and good. If it is not working, just swipe it down, and now flight mode is there. Just turn on it and turn off it. Now just try, your SMS should go. But if it is still not going and you are using message by Google, search here, go to the Play Store, search by message by Google and see it is updated or not. I am not using it, I am using the company provided apps. Then this is what the next thing, just go to the message and here tap on three dots and now go to the settings here. Now here you have to check that more settings. Now one thing I want to tell you, go to text message and see that this number, message center number, is correct or not. In which zone you can go to the Google and you can find message center number for Airtel mobile in your zone, north zone, south zone, or where you are living. You can find it from Google. So this is what all I wanted to tell you. After that, please switch off the phone and restart it. I think your problem should not come now. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.